speeding B, speeding A.
The services that Apollo provides, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, handyman, and all facets of that. We're the trusted leader in the area.
Every single one of our managers who oversee any of our service technicians or sales professionals are actively using Rilla to ensure that our technicians are providing the quality of service that we expect.
Rilla is AI technology, and it records all our conversations with the customers for us. It allows me to coach my guys. Every day I can sit down, listen to the key points that I need to, and be able to coach them all individually without spending too much time in the field.
What Rilla does for us is able to, kind of scale back some of that time out on the road. I'm able to coach 12 technicians, maybe where I would only been able to have interactions with 2 or 3.
Rilla is also a great training tool. When we bring a salesperson in, it's almost cut the training time in half.
It's not a system where there's like all this data that needs to be analyzed and sorted through. Like it's simple.
It gives you a good cross-section of everything. It points out the things that it feels that it's important to you based upon your criteria.
All the newer guys flourish with it, and they use it to their advantage.
I think it's beneficial all the way around. Customer gets a better experience, we have a better business, and nothing's lost in translation with Rilla.
It's really given us the chance to be as effective as possible, but also spend the time with the technicians on these ride-alongs, the virtual ride-alongs, that you just could never hope for without a platform like Rilla.
Okay, cool. All right, I think that's it.
Yeah.